Just watch me bake. Okay, here I'm going to show you how to make cookies that taste homemade in about 5 minutes. So you need eggs, you need any kind of cookie mix you buy in the store. I got Betty Crocker. It's the chocolate chip, and all you need is to read the recipe on the back. It says 1 stick of butter, 1 egg per bag. So we got the eggs, we got the butter already in the bowl, melted. I put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. That's all it takes. Then you need a bowl like this to crack the eggs in, so they crack properly and you don't get any eggshells in your cookies. And you need a couple pans and your best friend, parchment paper. Love it. So now all you do is you take an egg, crack it on a bowl like that, open it up. Okay, no shells. Bang it on the side of the bowl, crack it open. No shells. Then you just drop it in the bowl with the butter. Put that over in the sink. Then you need your mix. Dump that in. And dump the other one in. Then, to make it even more chocolatey, add extra chips. How many ever you want. And then you just mix it up. Okay, now once you get it mixed, it should look like that. Put parchment paper on 2 pans, like that. And then I have 2 tablespoons. I'm just going to spoon it out, put it on the pan. Spooned on the pan. Usually fit 12 on a pan. Then you just stick it in the oven on 350. Set the timer for 12 minutes. And you will have cookies. That's how they should look in the oven while they're baking. Okay, timer is going off. Cookies are done. Use a pot holder to get them out. Safety first. And that's how they look when they're done. Okay. So that's how they look when they're done. Nice and brown around the edges. If you want to second guess yourself, you can always flip them over. See, they're brown on the bottom. Just golden, not burnt. Because they'll cook a little bit in the pan. Okay? So then, what I do is put a towel on the table. Nice big one. And you just slide the cookies out, parchment paper and all, and they cool on the table.